Hello, Juliet here to show you a wearables example using a CPB board, a Vibe board, a Reed Switch, and a strip of conductive Velcro to hopefully prevent pickpocketing of wallets such as this one, which is mine.
Hey, my pocket's buzzing. Hey, give that back. So if you're wondering what's buzzing in my pocket, it's this wonderful Vibe board. And if I detach this will buzz until I retach it. But if I want to just remove my wallet and have it not buzz, I can put the magnet on the Reed Switch, and once this is removed, this is still not vibrating. So starting with power to the system, it comes from this battery pack, which has 2 button batteries inside of it. And if you close this and power it on, the board gets power and initializes. So next, looking at the Vibe board, we have connections to the positive terminal here and the negative terminal here. The negative terminal is wired to ground on the board, and the positive terminal is wired to an I/O pin. This one is labeled A3 on the board. Looking next at our Reed Switch here, this is a switch that flips when you have a magnet applied to it, and it is connected to the A2 I/O pin here, and on the other side, the red cord connects it to 3.3 volts power. Lastly, we have the conductive Velcro, which when the 2 pieces of Velcro are connected together, it completes the circuit, and when they are not connected, the circuit is open. This yellow cord is connected to pin A4. It's also a digital I/O pin. And then the other side of the Velcro is connected to ground here.
So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you can consider your pocket successfully not picked.